Good evening, everyone. For today's session, we'll be recording for our subject LAX 2063 Tech Talk. And my name is Lee Yong Pei. My matrix number is J46090, and here is my partner.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and my matrix ID is J46103.
Okay, so today we'll be presenting on our third week of the presentation, and it will be our third gadget, which is the laptop. And so Sarah, will you kindly please tell us the point of the brand names and the special characteristics of the laptop?
Okay, sure, thank you. And for today, this week, we are going to focus on laptop. For laptop, the famous names that are in the market will be the Apple, HP, Lenovo, Dell, Acer. These are some of the greatest players whereby when you want to go and purchase a laptop, these are the major brands that you go after. They all are different in terms of price and what are the special features that they do provide. Also, their sizes are different. So as we move on to the special features of a laptop, some of the features that you can look for in a new laptop will be the USB port, whereby this USB port can be used to charge your phone, your power bank, your pot, things like that, or your a small fan that normally a lot of people in office use. They are feeling very warm, so they use this small fan where you just insert it inside this USB port and it works. Other than that, the display, nowadays the display, the screen is very more than HD. It's as good as real life image. Other than that, they are also have this touch screen where it makes the interface simple and easier to access. So when you were to do something, you just press on the laptop instead of using the mouse and typing the olden way. Other than that, nowadays the laptops are coming in 2-in-1, whereby you can also fold and detach as a tablet experience. Nowadays, all the laptops are also coming with a special feature of Wi-Fi, whereby you can just go anywhere and connect to Wi-Fi option there to proceed using internet on your laptop. And the graphics are super HD, no more like when the first time the laptop came, how it was like not so clear, laptop was big and all that. But right now, the laptop is no longer like that, and the images and graphics are very real. Other than that, nowadays the special features of laptop will be that it's a very medium size, portable, and it really cuts down whereby you don't need to be carrying a very heavy stuff or unable to carry. It's no longer like that. It's already portable. You can bring it from one place to another. Today maybe you're required to work in this office, so you bring the laptop here. Tomorrow in that office, you can bring the laptop there and start working from anywhere. So these are the features of the laptop. Other than that, the dimension and weight, which means back then the weight of the laptop was like very heavy. Right now, knowing that the world is very fast moving and everybody is moving around, the laptop is very small, compact size, about 15 inches diagonally and all that. And also the RAM, back then maybe you need to use USB and all this to start saving your data, but now no more. You can actually save quite a large data on your laptop directly, because these have been already provided in the laptop that you are buying nowadays. So these are my sharing, whereby these are the special features and some of the brand names of the famous laptops. And over to my partner Karen for the functions.
Okay, thank you, Sarah, for sharing a lot of information and brand names about the laptops, about the gadget. As like Sarah said, the laptop is also very convenient now in this era. Basically, every student and every working adult needs a laptop, and because it is just that convenient to carry around, and like I said, like Sarah said, you can just bring it anywhere we go. Even you can even work, bring it to the train station. I mean, we're in the LRT or in the station or in the convenience store. We can just bring our laptop, open up, sit down, and then can resume our work. So for functionality of a laptop, there's actually two types of laptop. One is a normal laptop, another one is a gaming laptop. Um, the for normal laptop is normally just has a very like low RAM, which is not which is called a normal laptop, which is people use for working, studying, or maybe bit of editing. Then meanwhile, the second type is the gaming laptop, which has a very high RAM and high processor, and it's very compatible with gaming, and also it lasts for quite some time. That's why it's called a gaming laptop, and also it's specially built for people who enjoys gaming and who also do streaming. For example, they game and stream at the same time. Also, it can also do editing, also like Photoshop, Adobe Photo software. So yeah, this laptop functions can play games on it, can edit pictures through Photoshop, and also now the laptop has a lot of functions. For example, we don't need no longer need a PC to edit our software photos, pictures. We can just edit it on the laptop. We can even use a drawing pad, which we can just buy externally and then just attach to the laptop, because the laptop has so many USB ports, and also a lot of USB ports. We can just buy any external gadgets and insert it, and then you are good to go using the laptop. And also, like Sarah said, we have touchscreen laptops. We can also choose to do use the laptop by using touchscreen. Also, don't have to use a mouse. And also, the laptop it's a very handy device, especially for students. We can just bring it on to the campus and do our coursework there. And also we can have Zoom meetings. Since now we are in the pandemic, we can have Zoom meetings, Google meetings. You can have a lot of video, or we can even do our assignments using the laptop. We can just call each other on the Zoom, and then we will just proceed with our assignments. And then yeah, the laptop is a much more convenient than a PC, and it's also affordable, and it's not that expensive as a PC. So like Sarah said, we have a lot of brands, right, for laptop. So the high-end one is the Asus, HP, and Dell. Meanwhile, the low-end one is the budget one. For example, like Lenovo, Samsung, and the most expensive one is of course the MacBook lah. The MacBook has a very expensive value, and it's very light and compatible compared to normal laptop lah, which is more heavy. So also we can also do a lot on the laptop. Can also do streaming, can have a game streaming. Also we can have normal live streaming, like what I mentioned earlier. And also laptop also, it's very convenient now. We can just charge and then we just bring it anywhere, or we can also bring the charger along to go and go out and use and then charge with it. So I guess yeah, that's my point on the laptop. So
great sharing,
Sarah?
no, great sharing, Karen, and that is very precise information on the functions of a laptop. Really nice to hear this open discussion about this topic. And I guess this is the end of the video for laptop, and the
We
coming
will,
following week we
for the
will
next week, we will
uh,
talk about the next gadget, right, Sarah?
yep, that will
Yeah.
be on tablet. And until then, for today, we will give it a rest. And
Yeah, we
thank you
will
so
submit
much,
our.
Carrie.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. So see you on
All
next week.
right.